also in class and किसी को याद है? Anybody remembers this topic? Diverticular disease. It is a very common GI disorder. Okay, so this topic is also very important for your exam. Okay, and it is also a very unique GI disorder. Okay, so let us see what is diverticular disease. So when you remember diverticular disease, ठीक है, तो कुछ याद कर लेना relating to pockets. ठीक है, जैसे जीन्स में पॉकेट्स होते हैं, जैकेट में पॉकेट्स होते हैं, शर्ट में पॉकेट है. ठीक है, सो इन डाइवर्टिकुलर डिजीज देयर इज प्रेजेंस ऑफ पॉकेट्स. ठीक है, सो वेर ये जो पॉकेट्स है ये कहाँ पे प्रेजेंट होता है? इट इज प्रेजेंट इन दी कोलॉन. ठीक है, जो इन दी वॉल्स ऑफ दी कोलॉन. ठीक है, जब हमारी ये जो कोलॉन वॉल है, ठीक है, व्हेन द वॉल्स ऑफ द कोलॉन आर वेरी वीक, ठीक है, इतना ज़्यादा स्ट्रॉन्ग नहीं है, बहुत ही वीक है, तो क्या हो जाता है जब प्रेशर ज़्यादा हो जाते हैं, ठीक है, तो ये जो वॉल्स है वो साइड में एक्सटेंड हो जाते हैं. ठीक है, तो साइड में एक्सटेंड हो जाते हैं, इट बिकम्स लाइक पॉकेट्स. ठीक है, सो दिस इज बिकॉज ऑफ वीक कोलोनिक वॉल. ठीक है, वीक कोलोनिक वॉल एंड इफ देयर इज इंक्रीज प्रेशर, ठीक है, इट कैन बी प्रेशर किससे हो सकता है? इट कैन बी बिकॉज ऑफ फूड. ठीक है, जो भी फूड कंटेंट है, जो भी डाइजेस्टेड फूड है, जो भी वेस्ट है, फ्लूइड्स है, या जब कॉन्स्टिपेशन के टाइम पे when we are passing stool, so we are giving pressure. ठीक है, we are putting strain and we are putting pressure. So because of that pressure, ठीक है, ये जो हमारी जो कोलोन वॉल्स है वो उस टाइम वीक हो जाते हैं, फिर प्रेशर की वजह से वो एक्सपैंड हो जाते हैं. इट कैन एक्सपैंड टू द साइड. ठीक है, तो फिर वो पॉकेट्स बन जाते हैं. ठीक है, सो दिस इज कॉल्ड डाइवर्टिकुलर डिजीज. ओके, so diverticular disease it consists of 3 condition. इसके अंदर 3 conditions होते हैं diverticular disease में. ठीक है, so it involves the development of small sac or small pocket in the wall of the colon. Okay, so you can see in this picture. Okay, so this diverticular disease consists of 3 condition. ठीक है, and it is related to the pockets which are forming in the walls of the colon. Okay, and the 3 conditions are number 1 diverticulosis. Diverticulosis का मतलब है जब ये pockets formed हो जाते हैं. ठीक है, ये जो abnormal pockets हैं which are formed in the colon wall, that condition is called as diverticulosis. Number 2, ठीक है, जब ये diverticulosis, जब ये pockets हैं, ठीक है, ये burst हो जाते हैं या it causes any injury to the tissues, तो फिर bleeding हो जाता है. Okay, so that is called as diverticular bleeding. So any bleeding because of these abnormal pockets, we call it as diverticular bleeding. And number 3, that is diverticulitis. Diverticulitis, you can see the word itis. ठीक है, whenever you see the word itis का मतलब है inflammation. ठीक है, कहीं पे भी इन्फ्लेमेशन हो सकता है. सो डाइवर्टिकुलाइटिस का मतलब है जब ये पॉकेट्स, जहाँ जहाँ पॉकेट्स बन जाते हैं वहाँ पे इन्फ्लेमेशन हो रहा है. ठीक है, जो कोलोन की जो वॉल्स हैं वहाँ पे इन्फ्लेमेशन हो रहा है. ओके, एंड फर्दर कैन लीड टू इन्फेक्शन. सो दैट इज कॉल्ड एज डाइवर्टिकुलाइटिस. ओके, सो do you want me to repeat? Is this clear with everyone with the introduction?
Yes, ma'am.
अच्छा, so we'll go into detail. पहले तो हम डाइवर्टिकुलोसिस के बारे में हम पढ़ लेंगे. बाला देवी, प्लीज म्यूट योर. Okay, so first of all we will study about diverticulosis. ठीक है, diverticulosis is nothing but formation of abnormal pockets. ठीक है, और ये जो पॉकेट्स हैं ये बहुत ही छोटा है, वेरी स्मॉल, ओके, वेरी टाइनी, ओके, एंड सिर्फ एक पॉकेट्स फॉर्म नहीं होता है, लेकिन बहुत सारे पॉकेट्स फॉर्म हो सकते हैं, ठीक है. इट कैन बी ऑन द लेफ्ट साइड, इट कैन बी ऑन द राइट साइड, ठीक है. सो डाइवर्टिकुलोसिस, इट इज द फॉर्मेशन ऑफ न्यूमरस का मतलब है मोर देन वन, ठीक है, बहुत ज्यादा पॉकेट्स फॉर्म्ड हो जाते हैं, ठीक है. सो न्यूमरस मीन्स मोर देन वन, टाइनी, very small, okay, and pockets, or you can call it as sacs, okay. So diverticulosis is the formation of numerous tiny pockets, or we called it as diverticula, ठीक है. So ये जो abnormal pockets formation है, इसको, ये जो pockets है उसको diverticula भी बोल सकते हैं, ठीक है. और ये कहाँ पे formed होता है? In the lining of the bowel, that is lining of the colon, ठीक है. ये it can happen in any colon, ठीक है, in the large intestines, on the sigmoid colon also, ठीक है. So diverticula, or the abnormal tiny pocket, it can range from a pea size to a larger size, so depend करते हैं, ठीक है. अगर ज्यादा प्रेशर होता है तो ये जो पॉकेट्स हैं वो इंक्रीज हो सकता है, तो the size of the pocket can increase because of increased pressure, ठीक है. और it can be a small pocket also, ठीक है. So they are formed by increased pressure, ठीक है, on weakened spots of the intestinal wall, ठीक है. So ये मैं बोल रही हूँ कि जब ये जो कोलन वॉल है या इंटेस्टिनल वॉल है, ठीक है, अगर वो बहुत ही कमजोर है, ठीक है, और ऊपर से प्रेशर ज्यादा हो रहा है, ठीक है, प्रेशर इज देयर इन द कोलन वॉल, सो क्या फॉर्म हो जाते हैं? अबनॉर्मल पॉकेट्स, ठीक है. सो देयर इज अ प्रेशर, इट इज फॉर्म बाय इंक्रीज प्रेशर ऑन वीकेंड स्पॉट्स ऑफ द इंटेस्टिनल वॉल. और ये जो प्रेशर है ये किसकी वजह से होता है? इट कैन बी बिकॉज ऑफ गैस, ठीक है, इट कैन बी बिकॉज ऑफ वेस्ट, जो डाइजेस्टेड फूड्स है, ठीक है, एंड इट कैन बी बिकॉज ऑफ लिक्विड्स, okay. So and also it can be because of, in case of constipation, okay. So let us see the causes. Diverticula or pockets can form while straining during a bowel movement such as constipation, okay. So when a patient is having constipation, when she wants to pass stool, so the the bowel content are not coming out, है ना, because of constipation. So you are putting more pressure, okay, so that जो stool है it will come out from the anus, okay. So when you are putting pressure, okay, when you are straining you are putting pressure, so there is pressure on the colonic wall, ठीक है. जहाँ पे भी weak colonic walls हैं वहाँ पे तुम pressure दे रहे हो, so because of that pressure there can be abnormal pockets, ठीक है. So they are the most common in the lower portion of large intestine called the sigmoid colon. So most of the these diverticulosis, ठीक है, ये कहाँ पे occur होता है? Mostly they are found in the sigmoid colon. What are the symptoms? Most people will have no symptom or a few symptoms from diverticulosis. So sometimes patients will show no symptom, asymptomatic show हो सकता है, ठीक है. So this is about diverticulosis. So the diagnostic test, okay. So because people they do not show any symptoms, okay. So it will not be shown or it will not be detected very early. लेकिन अगर हमने colonoscopy किया है, okay. So if you are doing colonoscopy or if you are doing sigmoidoscopy, then we can see the abnormal pockets, ठीक है. So sigmoidoscopy or colonoscopy is the diagnostic test. Then coming to the complications, क्या complications हो सकता है? Number one, there can be rectal bleeding, ठीक है. ये जो pockets हैं, क्योंकि प्रेशर ज्यादा हो रहा है और पॉकेट्स के अंदर प्रेशर भी हो सकता है, तो वो बर्स्ट हो सकता है, ठीक है. जैसे बलून बर्स्ट हो जाते हैं बिकॉज ऑफ इंक्रीज प्रेशर. सो ये जो पॉकेट्स हैं वो कोलोनिक वॉल में बर्स्ट हो सकता है, एंड बिकॉज ऑफ दैट देयर विल बी ब्लीडिंग, तो उसको बोलते हैं डाइवर्टिकुलर ब्लीडिंग, ठीक है. एंड अनदर इज इन्फेक्शन. सो इट कैन कॉज इन्फेक्शन, इट कैन that is called as diverticulitis, okay. देन व्हाट इज द प्रिवेंशन, हम कैसे प्रिवेंट कर सकते हैं? नंबर 1, कॉन्स्टिपेशन को अवॉइड, वी हैव टू अवॉइड हैविंग कॉन्स्टिपेशन. सो वी हैव टू मेंटेन गुड बाउल हैबिट्स. ठीक है, हैव रेगुलर बाउल मूवमेंट डेली. यू हैव टू पास स्टूल. ठीक है, इधर इन द मॉर्निंग और एनी टाइम इन द डे. Okay, avoid constipation and avoid putting pressure. Then eat appropriate amount of right types of fiber and drink plenty of fluids. ठीक है, तो ज़्यादा पानी पीना चाहिए. Okay, and drink fresh juices, drink lots of fluids. Okay, and you have to exercise regularly. Okay, if you do exercise every day, so what happen is your health is also very effective. It will be very good, and also the bowel movement also will be active. Okay, so these are some of the prevention for the formation of tiny pockets in the colonic wall, that is diverticulosis. So is this clear about diverticulosis? Anybody has any doubts? किसी को doubt है?
No, ma'am.
Okay. So now, so this is the first type in diverticular disease. Okay, so second type is diverticulitis. Okay, infection. Okay, because of the abnormal tiny pockets in the colonic wall, there can be chances for infection. So that infection we call it as diverticulitis. Okay, so diverticulitis का definition है, it occurs when there is inflammation and infection in one or more diverticula. Okay, so जब okay, whenever there is any infection in the tiny pockets. Okay, so you can see here. Okay, in this image, you can, I hope everyone can see this photo. सबको दिख रहा है? ठीक है. So you can see here the pockets. Okay, so this is the descending colon, this is the sigmoid colon. Okay, and this is the rectum. So you can see more of these pockets. ये जो abnormal pockets है diverticular, they are present in the descending colon and also in the sigmoid colon. Okay, so because of these abnormal tiny pockets which are forming in the colonic wall and because of pressure, ठीक है, तो ये burst हो सकता है, ये जो tiny pockets है ये burst हो सकता है and because of that they can be infection. Okay, so that is called as diverticulitis. So this happens when the outpouching, when the pockets they become blocked with waste, allowing more bacteria to build up which can cause infection. So this is also another cause. ठीक है, so जब जो हमारी waste है, ठीक है, the digested the food or the waste that we have to remove from the body, अगर वो blocked हो जाते हैं इस pockets के अंदर, ठीक है, because there are so many pockets which are present on the colonic wall. So agar waste is present in these pockets, it can cause infection. Okay, so it can occur suddenly and without warning. So ये जो इसका duration है, ठीक है, diverticulitis, this can occur any time. ठीक है, any time suddenly, and it does not, sometimes it does not show any symptom. Okay, so this is a very it's a very dangerous, you can say dangerous symptom. Okay, because it is not showing any symptom and it occurs suddenly. Okay, so this is diverticulitis. So sometimes patient will show symptoms, sometimes patient will show no symptom, is asymptomatic. Okay, so patients, if they are showing symptoms, क्या symptoms हो सकता है? Patient can have diarrhea or constipation. You get painful cramps in the or tenderness in the lower abdomen. Okay, so lower abdomen में tenderness, if you palpate your lower abdomen, there can be pain. Okay, patient can have painful cramps and patient can have chills or fever. Okay, so that is because of the infection. So you can see here also. Okay, so these are the tiny pockets. These are called diverticulosis. ठीक है, diverticular और diverticulosis. जब इन्फेक्शन होता है डाइवर्टिकुलोसिस के अंदर या पॉकेट्स के अंदर इन्फेक्शन हो रहा है, तो उसको बोलते हैं डाइवर्टिकुलाइटिस. ओके, सो दिस इज अ क्रॉस सेक्शन ऑफ दिस पोर्शन. Okay, so what are the diagnostic tests that we can perform? Okay, number one, we can perform a physical examination. Okay, physical examination, uh, we will check the patient's vital signs, fever, temperature, we'll check the temperature, we'll check the pulse rate, we'll check the BP of the patient. Okay, then we will assess their pain, whether they're having pain, location देखना है, intensity देखना है, it is severe pain or it is mild pain. Okay, then we can also perform a digital rectal examination. Okay, that is by examining the rectum. Okay, and we can find out if patient is having any infection. Okay, and we have to ask for the health history. Okay, medical history, past medical history, present medical history, past surgical history, present surgical history. So all these all the questions, okay, all the health histories we have to ask from the patient, and specifically we have to ask their bowel activity. Okay, if they are having any constipation or if they are having any diarrhea. Yes, and also we have to ask about their diet. Okay, their dietary pattern. We have and also we have to ask about their medication. What medicines are they taking right now? Okay, so these are some of the diagnostic tests. Then apart from those two, okay, then we can perform barium enema. Okay, we can perform a sigmoidoscopy, colonoscopy, blood test. Okay, blood test to check for the WBC count, to check for the platelet count, to check for the hemoglobin, and also we can perform a CT scan. Okay, so these are some of the diagnostic tests for diverticulitis. Okay, so this is a sigmoidoscopy. This is the image of a sigmoidoscopy. So you can see here. ये देख रहा है, these are some abnormal pockets which are formed in the colonic wall. ठीक है, तो वहाँ पे there is infection. So there is inflammation and infection. So they are red in color. Okay, so you can see some red. They are red in color. Okay, so this is diverticulitis. Okay, so what are the complications of diverticulitis? Okay, so in diverticulitis there is infection. ठीक है, अगर हम प्रॉपर ट्रीटमेंट नहीं ले रहे, प्रॉपर मैनेजमेंट नहीं ले रहे, सो देयर कैन बी कॉम्प्लिकेशंस. सो व्हाट इज द कॉम्प्लिकेशन? नंबर वन, ठीक है, वो जो मैंने बोला है, जब वो जो अबनॉर्मल पॉकेट्स हैं, अगर उसमें ज़्यादा प्रेशर होता है, ठीक है, तो इट कैन बर्स्ट. ठीक है, जब वो बर्स्ट हो जाते हैं, और देयर कैन बी अ टेयर इन द इंटेस्टिनल वॉल. सो that is one of the complication. Okay, so it can lead to tear. जो colonic wall है या intestinal wall है, वहाँ पे tear हो सकता है. There can be cracks because of the abnormal pockets. ठीक है, and also there will be perforation, that is the pockets will burst out. ठीक है, so that can leak into the intestine and cause peritonitis, that is infection of the peritoneum of the abdominal cavity. Then there can be pus collection because of the infection. Okay, and it can lead to obstruction or blockage of the intestine. Okay, so this is the complication of diverticulitis. Okay, number one is it can lead to it can lead to perforation or tear in the intestinal wall. ठीक है, सो जब वो परफोरेट हो जाते हैं, जब वो एक्सप्लोड हो जाते हैं, तो क्या कॉज करते हैं? पेरिटोनाइटिस, दैट इज इंफेक्शन इन दी पेरिटोनियल एरिया. Number two, it can cause abscess, pus collection, and number three, it can cause obstruction in the intestine. Okay, so these are the important complications of diverticulitis. Is this clear with everyone? Is this clear about diverticulitis? If you have any doubts regarding this second topic? Students?
Yes, ma'am.
Any doubt you have regarding diverticulitis?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Okay, so now coming to the last topic of diverticular disease, we called it, that is the diverticular bleeding. Okay, so in diverticular bleeding, it occurs when there is any injury or chronic injury to the small vessels that are next to the diverticule. Okay, so next to because the pockets are formed in the colonic wall, in the intestinal wall. Okay, so in the intestinal wall also there are blood vessels, है ना? So because of the increase in pressure, there is more pressure in the pockets. Okay, so what happens is the blood vessels, ठीक है, वो जो ब्लड वेसल्स हैं वो भी इंजर्ड हो जाते हैं, वो डैमेज हो जाते हैं, ठीक है. सो व्हेन देयर इज इंजरी और डैमेज टू द ब्लड वेसल्स, ठीक है, कैपिलरीज है, ठीक है, तो वो बर्स्ट हो जाते हैं या डैमेज हो जाते हैं, सो देयर विल बी ब्लीडिंग. Okay, so diverticular bleeding causes a large amount of blood to appear in the stool. Okay, so ये जो bleeding है, it will not come out from the mouth. Okay, it will come out from the rectum. Okay, it will come in the stool form. So bleeding starts suddenly and usually stops on its own. Okay, abdominal pain occurs, usually does not occur with bleeding. So if patient is having bleeding, diverticular bleeding, or if there is bleeding in the stool, then sometimes the patient will not have pain in the abdomen. If it does not stop, then the treatment may be needed to stop it and replace the lost blood and may need for hospitalization. Okay, so patient is continuously bleeding. Okay, bleeding because of this injury in the blood vessel. ठीक है, सो पेशेंट इज लूजिंग ब्लड, ठीक है, पेशेंट की जो हेमोग्लोबिन है वो कम हो जाते हैं, सो वी नीड टू गिव ब्लड ट्रांसफ्यूजन. ठीक है, वी नीड टू ट्रांसफ्यूज द ब्लड, वी नीड टू चेक द hemoglobin every now and then. Okay, we have to and patient needs to be hospitalized. That is very important. ठीक है, so apart from this, because patient is losing blood, है ना, patient can go under shock. So we have to give IV fluids. Okay, we can give normal saline, we can give ringer lactate, or we can give DNS and blood transfusion, and also we can give some injections. Okay, and in some cases, surgery is required to remove the diseased part of the colon. So अगर situation बहुत ही severe हो गया, ठीक है, critical situation है, then we have to remove the part of the colon where there is abnormal pockets and there is infection. Okay, so this is diverticular bleeding. Okay, so how can we reduce the infection in the in diverticulitis? Can anyone tell me what are the ways we can manage to reduce infection? क्या क्या कर सकते हो? Anyone let me know? Shivani Yadav.
मैम अवॉइड कॉन्स्टिपेशन, और मैम पानी ज्यादा पिएंगे.
अच्छा, इन्फेक्शन को कैसे रिड्यूस करना है? क्या देते हो जब इन्फेक्शन होता है बॉडी में?
मैम बीच में मेरा
एंटीबायोटिक्स देंगे,
एंटीबायोटिक्स देंगे और
एंटी इन्फ्लेमेटरी ड्रग्स.
anti-inflammatory drugs. Very good. So in diverticulitis, okay, so what is the treatment that we can give to the patient? Okay, if it is an uncomplicated diverticulitis, matlab it is not that severe, and we can still control the infection, so we have to give antibiotics. Okay, so antibiotics we need to reduce the infection. We need to give anti-inflammatory agents, ठीक है, so that जो inflammation है वो कम हो जाएगा. ठीक है, so by doing this we can prevent any diverticular bleeding, or we can prevent any complications of diverticulitis. That is, we can prevent peritoneal bleeding, we can prevent peritonitis, we can prevent abscess formation. Okay, so that is why we have to treat इन्फेक्शन, अगर इन्फेक्शन है तो इसका ट्रीटमेंट कंप्लीट होना चाहिए. वी हैव टू स्टार्ट द ट्रीटमेंट वेरी फास्ट और एल्स इट कैन कॉज कॉम्प्लिकेशन. ठीक है. So and also if there is any complicated diverticulitis, okay, मान लो patient is having peritonitis, ठीक है, वो जो infection है, it is it is spreading to the other parts of the body, and also वो जो pockets हैं, it is the blood vessels which are connected to the pockets, it is bursting, it is damaged, so there is injury. So we have to do some management. ठीक है. So if there is any complicated diverticulitis, we have to give IV antibiotics. Okay, we have to continue with IV antibiotics so that infection will reduce. ठीक है. So अगर pus collection formed है तो उसको drain करना है, उस pus collection को remove करना है. ठीक है. So we will insert a tube, okay, inside the colon. जहाँ पे भी pus collection है वहाँ पे हम tube insert कर लेंगे and उस pus collection को drain out कर लेंगे, उसको निकालना है. And the third is surgery. Okay, so if pus collection is not able to remove and the critical situation of the patient, then we have to do surgery. ठीक है. जो भी affected part है, where there is abnormal pockets, where there is tiny pockets or where there is diverticular, उस area को हमें remove करना है. Okay, so that is done by surgical management. Okay, so this is the management for diverticulitis. Okay, so we have to prevent diverticular bleeding. Okay, we have to prevent infection. That is by starting early treatment or management of the diverticulitis. Okay, so is this clear with the three topics? Number one, diverticulosis, that is formation of the tiny pockets in the colon wall or in the intestinal wall. Then number two क्या है? Diverticulitis, that is infection or an inflammation in the tiny pockets or infection in the diverticula. ठीक है, उसको बोलते हैं diverticulitis. And number three क्या है? Diverticular bleeding. Okay, when the blood vessels which is attached to the pockets वहाँ पे damage हो जाते हैं, injury हो जाते हैं, so there will be bleeding. Okay, so that these three are the three important conditions in diverticular disease. ठीक है. Anybody has any doubts with the three topics?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, so I will send the PowerPoint in the group, okay, and send me the screenshot so that I will mark the attendance. Okay, so thank you, class.
Thank you, ma'am.